Worlds 2 crash on startup 2026, not launching, UE5 crash and black screen fix. Fix 1, restart your PC, close the Outer Worlds 2 completely, restart your computer, launch the game again. Fix 2, verify game files, open Steam or Xbox app, right-click the Outer Worlds 2, select Properties, Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for the verification to finish. Fix 3, update your graphics driver, install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver, restart your PC after installation. Fix 4, update Windows, open Settings, Windows Update, install all available updates, restart your computer. Fix 5, repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 x64, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 x86. Restart your PC. Netter Fix 6, clear Unreal Engine and DirectX shader cache. Open disk cleanup. Delete DirectX shader cache. Press Win R and typeset lookup and dateup. Delete the game's cache folders if available. Restart your PC. Fix 7, disable overlays. Disable Steam or Xbox Game Bar overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin overlay. Close MSI Afterburner and Riva Tuner Statistics server. Fix 8, run the game as administrator, open the game installation folder. Right-click the game executable, select Run as administrator. Fix 9, disable overclocking, reset your CPU and GPU to default settings, close all overclocking software, launch the game again. Fix 10, add the game to antivirus exclusions. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection Exclusions, add the game installation folder. Fix 11, repair Windows system files, open command prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scanow, then run online cleanup image /store health, restart your PC. Fix 12, reinstall the game, uninstall the Outer Worlds 2, delete any remaining game files, reinstall the latest version, launch the game again.